Hey everybody, Richard Freeman out here again today at Toyota Beasley. It's Friday again, Jay. We're hoping for a big weekend. Jay, we got lots of really nice trucks, so today's truck day. Got lots of nice trucks we want to talk about. And Jay, I knew the Tacoma had been around a while, but you realize it's been out since 1995. So we're talking about 29 years of a great truck. And normally we don't have a truck in a Tacoma for in the 30s, maybe in the 40s. I've got two Tacomas right now, under $30,000, Jay. I've got this 2017 with only 36,000 miles. Really nice trucks. Two-wheel drive with what they call the XP Maverick package on it. It's a local trade. It's a nice truck. This truck's only $29,420. And check that out. And then with it being certified, you know, I love to talk about certified, you got a 7-year, 100,000 mile warranty from the day this gentleman drives out in it. So, Jay, I might have spoke wrong. This truck isn't certified because of the age. But still, you've only got 30-something thousand miles, and lots of great service left. But a 2017 with only 30-something thousand miles for only $29,420. Now let's jump over to a 2019 four-wheel drive TRD off-road. I'll give you that lock and rear differential, beautiful black truck. This truck's got 92,000 miles, Jay, for only $29,950. A four-wheel drive TRD off-road for only $29,950. And again, it's a local trade-in as well. Sitting on really nice tires, really sharp truck. People just traded in for a new one, which tells me two things. They love their Tacoma because they went out and bought them another one, and they're happy with Toyota Beasley because they came back to us. Now, Jay, you know this truck here is hard to find. Quicksand, a 2020 model TRD Sport two-wheel drive. Really nice truck, 42,000 miles. This truck's only $33,885. That's a whole lot of truck for the money, and this truck is certified. So you got, from the day that customer drives out, a 7-year, 100,000 mile warranty, and it's only $33,885. It is a really nice truck. And this color, I mean, this is the only one we got in this color. You just don't see this every day. Look at the tires on this truck. I mean, it looks brand new. And last but not least for me, I've got a 2023 Tacoma four-wheel drive SR5. Now this truck's only got 10,000 miles on it, and it's only $39,950. So we've got a lot to choose from in Tacomas right now. Great selection. And this is we'll talk about this truck for a minute. It's the access cab, so it gives you the longer bed, gives you the over 6-foot bed. But most of these trucks come with a 4-cylinder, and most of them are two-wheel drive. This is a V6 four-wheel drive. This is a really rare truck. It's certified for only $39,950 with only 10,000 miles on it.
This one has a logo.
Yes, sir. Really? Yeah. Like I said, day truck day. I got my partner Chaz Bears here. He's going to tell you about some more trucks. But great selection of Tacomas. This is just a few of what we got. Come on out here and see us, Richard Freeman, Toyota Beasley.
Thank you, Rich.
Thanks, Chaz.
Hey Jay, we got a little stuff going on here. Frontier was out of the game for a little while, and I think they did a pretty good job of mimicking our Toyota Tundra, but this is a pretty nice truck. And I mean, if you're just shopping for a four-door compact, this is a 22 with only 27,000 miles, and it's under 30,000. It's 29,692, so it's going to be less. So if for your budget you need something a little bit less, but the truck is, I mean, they've come up a long way. This truck is a full four-door double cab, and it does have a power seat, has the infotainment system, but it's automatic, 4x2, power windows, locks, tilt, cruise, air, AM/FM, all the features. So it's got the pre-collision system. It's just a great buy and a four-door truck, and Nissan's brought up their game quite a bit. The transmissions on the Nissans, the transmissions and engines are really good. So that's a great buy if you're looking for a four-door compact truck. Next one is going to be one of the last remaining four-door Tundras I have that is a four-wheel drive. They're getting harder and harder to find. That's a 2020 model, only 20,000 miles. It's 46,832. So if you're not a fan of the new V6s, twin turbos, this is one of the last remaining 5.7 V8s. A lot of history on these Tundras. They're going to last a long time. This has got your tri-stage frame, which I like on the car. It's got a lot of room. The Crew Max on this particular vehicle has more room than what the new Crew Max does. I don't know if this door is open here. but just look at the room in that back seat. I just really love this truck. I've got a lot of history, a lot of customers that have put over 300,000 miles on them with no engine, transmission failures. Everything stays really well. Toyota bought one back from a guy that put 1 million miles on it. Very little wear on the inside of the engine when they took it back apart. Transmission, they were amazed at how all the materials really held up. So Toyota really just uses really good materials. That's why their vehicles last so long. So now if you just want to run around truck, you're taking trash to the dump or anything like this, well, I've got this little regular cab F-150, and regular cabs are about gone. You can't find them. This is a 19 with only 45,000 miles on it. It's $24,999. I mean, you just can't even get a truck for that price range anymore. So just a good basic, if you're doing work and you just need a truck with some bedroom, that's going to be a great buy. That was a local trade-in. And now on a full-size truck, here's a 2020. Again, a great buy. It's a four-door. It's the 5-liter V8, which is hard to find. It is four-wheel drive, and it's under $37,000. It's $36,796, 57,000 miles. This was a trade-in to us. So you got a four-door crew, which everybody wants for all the room, and then the step boards, automatic. Again, it's the V8. It is not the 3.5 twin turbo. So if you're wanting the normally aspired engine, this is the one to get. So we're getting traded all the time. We're a little low on inventory, but we're trading for cars. Don't pass up a deal. Give Richard or me a call if you need something in particular, 864-855-2233. Have a good day. Come see us. It's going to be a nice weekend.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jay.